Okay, hi there, Dan here again, and in this video I am going to show to you on how to back up the configuration of your ER8 device and also restore the configuration of ER8 device. We're going to use the web dashboard. So first step for the backup config, we're going to log into the web dashboard and then download the configuration file. For the restore, 3 steps involved. We're going to log into the dashboard and upload the backup file and then restart the router and then verify the uploaded configuration. Okay, let's go for the backup first. So let me get the IP of the ER8 device so we can log in into the dashboard. Okay, this is the login, and now we are inside the dashboard. So first step is done, and then second one, download the config file. Now how to download? Just go to dashboard and then system, and then go a little bit, and then in this option, configuration management and device maintenance. So this one, backup config file, when you click download, all the configurations in this ER8 device will be downloaded. So that's a backup. So we're going to click download, and as you can see, we have here the tar.gz file. This is the backup config of the whole ER8 device. As you can see, this one, hrouter, this is the name format, the HOS underscore, this is the host name of the ER8 device, and then the date. So that's a file name. So this is the config of the whole ER8 device configuration. Now, that's it. That's how we back up the file. So we're done with the backup. So now we're going to proceed in the restoring the backup. First step, login. We are already logged into the dashboard, and upload the file. So to upload the file, same, go to dashboard and then system, then go lower. Still go to the configuration management and device maintenance and restore config. Now click the upload file, locate the file or the backup file that you have recently downloaded. So in this case, in what we have a while ago, in what we do a while ago, this is it. So open that one, and when you open that one, it will prompt for a reboot. That's the third step. So reboot, proceed. Yes, I'm sure. So now the router is rebooting. So to monitor if it's back up again, just ping the IP address of it. 48.226.9.129. Just wait for a while. Okay, we are back online. So let's just reload this one, and there we go. We have the router again back up. Okay, that's how we back up and restore the router 8 device configuration. Okay, very simple, quick and easy, right? Thank you for watching. On to the next video. Bye bye.